Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you for watching again. Ngayon naman po pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa fitness or muscular fitness on muscular endurance and muscular strength. We'll be reacting to a Cooper Institute fitness talk in which maiintindihan natin kung paano po ba nag-i-improve ang ating muscles and especially in terms of endurance and kanilang flexibility. So, tara, panoorin natin at mas maintindihan po natin kung ano po ito.
Now, you might not know this, but you have over 600 muscles in your body, all of which need to be healthy in order to move. Muscular strength, muscular endurance, and flexibility are all measurements of a healthy musculoskeletal system. And you don't have to be an athlete or a dancer to have strong, flexible muscles. Strength, endurance, and flexibility are all important indicators of how healthy your muscles are. So what are muscular strength, endurance, and flexibility? Let's start with strength. Strength is the maximum force your muscles can exert in a single effort, such as lifting a heavy weight. Endurance is the ability to sustain or repeat that activity over an extended amount of time. So while the ability to lift a heavy weight can measure strength, endurance is measured by how many times you keep doing it and for how long.
So kung naiintindihan nyo, muscular strength is the ability to exert maximum force in a one time and then muscular endurance is the ability to repeat it again and again in a certain time or extended time.
Flexibility is the range of motion of muscles at the joint, demonstrated by stretching your arms over your head, bending over, or doing the splits. And why is musculoskeletal fitness important again? It's because a healthy muscular system prevents injuries while doing everyday activities, strengthening your bones, improving muscle mass, and reducing other health risk factors such as heart disease. Most importantly, having healthy muscles means you can do more physical activity to improve your aerobic capacity and overall health.
Correct. No wonder why sa ating mga klase, hindi muna tayo naglalaro agad-agad ng mga activities intended for us. Because as for me, as your instructor, we would like to train each one muna so that ang katawan nila would be prepared to a very rigorous event. For example, ang ating futsal ay hindi yan ganun kadali. Hindi lang pwedeng laro lang tayo kaagad. But instead, first muna, titrain natin yung body hanggang pag once na ito ay ready na to perform an activity, then mas maganda natin gagawin yun because it could really lessen the risk, injuries, and even ang problema natin later on, baka magkasakit pa tayo ng mas malala because we would just like to involve these people towards a very rigorous activity. So, tama pala yun, no? From level to level, then up until maabot natin yung optimum na health ng katawan ng bata o in other words, na kondisyon muna natin before natin ipapalaro.
So how do we measure muscular strength, endurance, and flexibility? Fitnessgram by the Cooper Institute uses different movements to test musculoskeletal fitness, such as push-ups, curl-ups, pull-ups, and the sit and reach.
Yes, correct. And as you can see on the screen, meron po tayo, makikita niyo po there are different exercise na prepare po kami. And I believe makikita nyo rin ito sa ating mga modules. Number one is we'll be having our sets of push-ups. And you can just read this on how we could do it properly. Meron ding ibang set for a lady o sa mga babae. This is a modified push-up intended for ladies. Since it is very, yung push-up ng lalaki is very rigorous compared to the push-up for the ladies. So, this is much more easier because we'll be just starting on the knee. Another thing na pwede nating pagpraktisan would be on the side plank. Side plank can really produce or can really improve your muscular endurance. Most of the time, it could target your abdominal muscles and even yung mga oblique muscles na matatagpuan the side of your abdomen. Another is We could have also our leg raise test, and in which mababasa nyo lang po ito. And we have also our starfish crunch test. This is intended for only men. Meron din po tayong modified starfish crunch intended for women. And lastly, meron din po tayong step up test. And there are different or many kinds of exercise na pwedeng masubukan so that ang ating muscular endurance and muscular strength, even our flexibility, could be improved. And as you go on towards our PE classes, I hope ang bawat isa ay ma-prepare before natin papasukin ang certain sport para, ulitin ko po, iwas tayo ng injury and less po ang risk ng bawat bata. So yun lamang po ang maiintindihan natin tungkol sa muscular strength, muscular endurance, and flexibility. Maraming salamat, God bless, and see you next time.